In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Pay on Wix and test it to make sure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive right in and get your site ready to offer this convenient payment method to your customers. First, what you want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome up and running, navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. If you haven't visited your Wix account in a while, you might notice a few updates, but don't worry, the functionality we need today is right where it should be. Logging in is as simple as entering your credentials and hitting that sign in button. Now, once you're inside your Wix dashboard, head over to the settings menu. This is your control center, where you can tweak various aspects of how your website operates. Inside settings, you'll find a host of options, but what we're looking for today is accept payments. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how your customers can pay for your products or services online. Scrolling through the payment options, locate Google Pay. Google's digital wallet comes in handy because it offers a fast, simple way to check out in apps and on sites. Selecting Google Pay will initiate the setup process. You'll then be prompted to connect with your payment processor. Make sure your payment processor supports Google Pay. If you're unsure, it's worth double-checking that your provider is compatible before proceeding. This step is important because it ensures that transactions are processed seamlessly. The Wix interface will guide you through the connection process with a series of prompts. Follow these carefully, as they are designed to assist you in establishing a solid connection between your website and Google Pay. This might involve logging into your payment processor account or authorizing the connection, so have your credentials for your payment processor handy as you complete this step. Once you've successfully linked Google Pay, it's time to save your settings. This simply means hitting that save button and all your hard work setting up Google Pay on your Wix store is locked in. But before we wrap everything up, there's one more essential task to accomplish: testing. Ensure that Google Pay is functioning correctly by going through a test checkout process. For this, you can simulate a purchase on your own website. Choose one of your products or services, proceed to checkout, and select Google Pay as your payment method. Complete the steps as if you were a real customer. If you're able to process the payment without any hitches, then congrats. You've successfully integrated Google Pay into your Wix store. Testing is crucial because it helps confirm that everything is set correctly and working as intended. And that's it. By following these steps, you have now enabled Google Pay on your Wix website, providing your customers an efficient checkout experience. This enhancement not only modernizes your site, but also can potentially increase your sales by offering more payment flexibility. Thanks for watching and happy selling.